Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Madhavan, and today we will be seeing about how to use ChatGPT to create a game. So by using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, we'll see like I have never tried this one. So we'll see like how ChatGPT gives you the suggestions with the brick game. So uh, help to create like game using. So let's ask like um, what are all the games I can create using HTML CSS and JavaScript. Oh, you can create. So it tells like these are all the different games that we can create by using it also gives the disclaimer at the end that it depends on how much the complex of the game. So we'll add it like these are all the games that we can create, and we'll first go with quiz game. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT, can you help to create a quiz game using HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and JavaScript? So it will give the ready-made code like so it gives only the question container like see like if you see here the container is having only div section where it says like only the choice 1, choice 2, and choice 4 with the button ID, and the CSS will be in another file. Okay, so this is looks like an quiz array. So this quiz array we can load it via any CSV file. So this is just a static file, so it gives the suggestions. We'll see like how we can use this one. I have copied this entire code. Now I will go to Visual Studio and I will create a add. So this is one, and create quiz game. This is under work. This is under uh, project. Like here I am adding index.html. I copied the entire coding and paste it. So if you do like this and if you run this code, see like it is having 4 dotted lines because we do not have CSS to it. So let's add CSS to another class. We'll create another file called style.css and we'll put this coding over here. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, put it here, so it will be simple to use. So this is the suggestions which is given. So like we can also ask like this quiz game in a separate file in a separate file using body and imports. So yeah, it will give you the suggested codings where it gives the head and body tags, and also with body with the containers in it. Once the code is generated for the HTML, we can very well copy this code, and just replace it. Now if you see here, yeah, see now the code is changed actually. And you can also copy the style.css. I do not see any change. Okay, and I will also create one called script.js. So still it is trying to generate the JavaScript code for this quiz game. You can say continue JavaScript code. So when you say like continue, then ChatGPT will identify that it should resume that it from the last where it get left. So I can copy this code and I can also paste it. And also when I say continue, it also continued where I left. So this is the code which I have added. We'll see we have done one coding. And if you want to refresh, because this is just a template, if you want to change or make a change of the complexity, then you can do as like you want. If you want add more questions, then you can add the questions here. What is HTML5? So some these questions that you can see. The next question comes next. So we answered one question right and one question is wrong. So these kind of things that we can enhance to our coding. That also we can check how we can can you give me a CSS and HTML with colorful with the colorful page, code with colorful page for the above code. So we'll see how it tries to generate. So colorful HTML and CSS file. So it means that it should change only the HTML and see quiz container, question choices in progress, and okay, any changes in the style. Yeah, okay. So now it is giving the body in which color it should be, and the font size, header and header 1, and the quiz container which is having with the background color, and with question what it should be, and choices, and with the button hover. It also gives the suggestions to add hover, like when we go to hover, no, like it will give some color. Okay, I see there is no changes in the HTML file which is generated by ChatGPT, and there is only a changes there in the CSS file. I'll simply replace it and save it, and will rerun this file. See, last video I do not last coding that I do not have any, so now it is having like the affected CSS. Okay, so this is one of the thing. CSS coding for different hover. Okay, so let's make this as a different, like this hover color. Like hover color mostly comes from this button, like here you can you can actually change which color you need to choose. Like I will put it this color and save it. See, so likewise you can display this. Once we click this one, you can also make that particular dialog box as green or red, and you can also have a scoreboard separately. So you can also have one more division and to show the scoreboard, like for every question that you added, like you can have a separate scoreboard to it. So that is one thing. And this video, I think it will be really useful for everyone, that whoever wants to start with ChatGPT, if they want to create some games, and they can do that. We'll ask like how to upload this one. Like you can change the coding, depends on how we can get these questions from a CSV file or Excel file. Okay, so we can complete this video with this here, and please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me by subscribing, and press bell icon for more videos